Shalom, kind brothers and sisters, and welcome to today's scripture reading. Today I'll be reading out of the Restoration Study Bible, the mobile edition, and I will be reading Proverbs 25. These are also Proverbs of Solomon, which the men of Hezekiah, king of Judah, copied out. It is the glory of Elohim to conceal a thing, but the honor of kings is to search out a matter. The heaven for height, and the earth for depth, and the heart of kings is unsearchable. Take away the dross from the silver, and there shall come forth a vessel for the fine